Okay, it's done. I'm gonna reload the page, and yeah, this is exactly.
This video is for educational purposes only. Don't read the actions shown in this video.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You guys keep texting me like, give me some USDT, send me some crypto. Is it actually possible to get some crypto without anything? So, in this video, we'll try to figure it out. I'm gonna put to the test this project I came across the other day. I'm talking about this one. I'm gonna start with opening this helper tool. Then I'm gonna go ahead to the section and I'm gonna enter this thing that I copied from my notes. And while I'm doing it, guys, I wanted to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing my personal experience, and I do not recommend repeating any of that. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna reload the page, and yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is kind of impressive, but I'm gonna wrap up this test. I'm gonna complete it, and to do that, I'm gonna close this thing. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna select what I need here, and I'm just gonna complete it because I want to see the full picture, and I'm gonna show you the whole experience. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. I'm dropping it right here. Looking good. I'm gonna double check it, and yeah, it should be done. And yeah, perfect. So here comes the most important part, because I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna close this thing, and I'm just gonna try and refresh it. And basically, no expectations here, actually. And how about this? How about this? Are you freaking serious? Yeah, it's just how it is. So guys, you asked me to make this video, I did, so be sure to put your likes. And yeah, this is exactly what I was doing today, guys. Everything is right in front of your eyes. Bye-bye.